Hand in hand is a widely recognized phrase that symbolizes unity, cooperation, and support. It signifies the act of two or more individuals joining hands, forming a physical connection that represents a shared goal, friendship, or partnership. This simple gesture has deep cultural, social, and emotional implications, transcending language and cultural barriers. In this brief explanation, we will explore the significance of hand in hand and its multifaceted meanings. On a literal level, the act of holding hands represents a physical bond. It is a way for individuals to connect, offering comfort, reassurance, and a sense of belonging. Holding hands can serve as a display of affection, a sign of trust, or an expression of solidarity. Metaphorically, hand in hand embodies cooperation and collaboration. It suggests people working together towards a common goal, supporting one another through challenges and triumphs. It symbolizes the strength that comes from unity, emphasizing that collective efforts can achieve greater results than individual endeavors. Moreover, hand in hand often conveys a sense of equality and inclusivity. Regardless of differences in age, gender, race, or social status, the act of holding hands signifies the recognition of each person's worth and the importance of mutual respect. It serves as a reminder that together, we are stronger, and everyone deserves to be treated with dignity and fairness. Beyond personal relationships, hand in hand can also represent broader social and global concepts. It can be seen as a call for unity and solidarity in the face of adversity, whether it be in times of crisis, social movements, or collective action for a common cause. It highlights the power of individuals coming together to effect positive change and overcome challenges. The phrase hand in hand has found its way into literature, art, and cultural expressions across the world. It has become a powerful symbol of human connection and empathy. It resonates with people's desire for companionship, support, and a sense of belonging. In conclusion, hand in hand encompasses a multitude of meanings. It is a gesture of physical connection, a representation of unity and collaboration, an expression of equality and inclusivity, and a symbol of solidarity and collective action. This phrase encapsulates the essence of human relationships and our innate desire to connect with one another, emphasizing that together, we can overcome obstacles and achieve remarkable feats.